improving the nation's markets, providing fire and garbage trucks, social protection for the vulnerable, the Ministry of Local Government and Community Development, transforming lives across the country. "28 houses for the indigent will be built in fiscal year 2018-2019. That's 2 houses per parish, costing $52 million. The process will begin in St. Andrew, where sites have been identified in Irishtown and Kintyre. St. Thomas and Hanover are next in line.
We are also continuing to improve the infrastructure, Mr. Speaker, of our infirmaries island-wide.
Infirmaries in central and western parishes will be upgraded and solar panels installed, all at a cost of $200 million through partnership with the National Housing Trust. In addition, the local government and health ministries are joining effort to build 10 double units at the St. Anne, St. James, Manchester and St. Catherine infirmaries. These are to address the needs of social cases in hospitals. Also, drop-in centers will be constructed in St. Thomas and Trelawney at a cost of $28 million. Hanover, St. Mary and St. Elizabeth will also benefit. The Social Development Commission will this year roll out a pilot program called the Community Education Support Program. It aims to mobilize communities and stakeholders to reduce truancy, improve school attendance, and implement educational activities at the community level. Fire services should be improved, as the ministry is spending $232.6 million to obtain 4 fire trucks, 2 ambulances, and 2 command vehicles by March 2019. 2 of the fire trucks will be in the country by August.
Currently, Mr. Speaker, 7 fire stations. There are 7 fire stations that lack a working fire truck. We are working diligently, Mr. Speaker, to ensure that by the end of this calendar year, every fire station in the country have at least 1 working fire unit.
By year end, construction of new fire stations is expected to begin in Port Maria, Montego Bay and Yallas. The local government ministry is also improving the look and the capacity of markets this fiscal year. In Hanover, the Hopewell Market will be refurbished at a cost of $20 million. The Stony Hill Market in St. Andrew will be refurbished at a cost of $30 million, and the Papine Market will be repaired. $15 million will be spent refurbishing St. James Charles Gordon Market. The ministry is looking to generate solid improvement for solid waste collection. So, 2 new collection units are being bought at a cost of $300 million. The Jamaica Social Investment Fund is also providing 3 compactor trucks. And starting with an investment of $90 million, a transfer station will be built at Danieltown in Trelawney to assist with the disposal of garbage in the western end of the country. This year, the local government ministry will increase by 6-fold the level of investment in the parochial road network. $110 million is allotted to upgrade several of these roads across the country. The Municipal Social Assistance Program is continuing this year. $386.7 million is on the books for municipal corporations to assist the vulnerable this financial year.
The fund, Mr. Speaker, was a part of $700 million that the ministry provided to enhance social protection through administrative support to councillors, social housing assistance, indigent housing assistance, education, and funeral grants.
The Local Government and Community Development Ministry, securing what matters most to the country, providing for the needs of the people at home and in their communities.